Hello.
Hi.
Okay, it's recording now. We just filmed the whole video and then it was
not recording the whole time. 2, 3.
Hi.
We're doing a random questions type video where Charles is gonna ask me and Ashley questions.
It's just like a Q&A.
It's just like a nice little chat.
It's like a chat.
I don't know if I should ask this one. What is one secret you kept from your parents?
Is there any joint secret we have? We don't do bad stuff.
One time, I feel like we drove somewhere really late at night. Oh no, we picked up a friend that needed a ride because they would have like died if they drove themselves.
That's the most we've done.
Do you have a secret, Charles?
Yeah, I snuck their car out a lot.
Charles!
When I was like 15.
Oh no, Charles!
Hey, what's the dumbest thing you fought about?
Sometimes I can hear Amber talking in her room and I want to go to bed and I hear the vibrations on the wall and then I like yell at her because I can't go to bed.
on FaceTime and she'll be like, shut up.
Yeah, or if I hear her breathing when we're sleeping next to each other, like when we're traveling.
Yeah, Ashley's very sensitive to noise.
Yeah.
Question from an only child. What's it like to have siblings?
I think it's like having built-in friends that you never have to worry about losing. Every time I have like an actual friend, I'm like... And then eventually, like, it dies off, and I'm just like, oh.
But then
always
this is count
always
on Amber.
the friend.
Yeah.
And it's having built-in guidance.
I got this question a bunch of times, so I'm going to ask it. Who's
Yes.
older?
Oh my god, Ashley's 2 years older than me.
Yeah, I'm 20.
I'm 18.
I can't believe you're 18. Oh my god, that's insane.
What is the most annoying thing your sister does?
I know the answer for both of us. Ashley's gonna say the most annoying thing I do is make noise, and then my most annoying thing for Ashley is that she gets so sensitive to noise.
Sometimes she wakes up really late, and it makes me bothered that it makes our whole house feel sleepy.
I wake up at like 4 p.m. because I'm also trying to get over jet lag now.
She's on Californian time.
And I moved back to New York.
It's a miss.
I literally cannot wake up.
How would you imagine life without each other?
My like worst fear is that like Amber would die.
I think about that all the time. I'm like, oh my god.
I would just like literally, oh my god. I would feel like completely lost.
If I were to lose you right now, my entire life would be like devastated. But if I never had you from like the beginning,
then
that's
it's
what
like,
the question's asking.
Yeah.
I don't even know who I would be.
Both of our personalities are like
built off each
merged,
other.
Yeah.
I think you guided me so much in my developmental years that like I don't even know what I would be as my own person.
That makes me really scared because I feel like I would not be a good person to lead other people. Because I used to be like kind of annoying when I was little. Like I'd be like kind of like materialistic when I was like 12.
No, the way you led me was you were like, wear Abercrombie. And I was like, okay.
That was like the only way I feel like, oh, like I could be like cool if I did this.
Yeah, I think that was one way that you led me in the wrong direction.
Yeah, I feel
because that made me feel very troubled for many years.
I know.
Because I was like, I don't want to wear this. And you're like, wear it. I was like, no.
Describe each other in one word.
I can imagine Ashley's general vibe in my head.
Yeah, but
I don't
can't
know
put
the
a
words.
word on it. I would describe Amber as artistic.
What? I would say Ashley is very driven and she's also very generous.
Oh my god, thanks.
And patient.
I think Amber's really a lot better at me than being social with other people. I think that she's good at making friends.
I establish deeper relationships with smaller amounts of people, but you establish pretty good relationships with big amounts of people.
Okay, that makes sense. It's more preferable what you do, in my opinion.
It makes me less likable.
No.
Who do you think Andrew likes more?
Me!
Yeah, probably Amber.
I think you and Andrew have had more beef. You and Andrew clash way too often.
Yeah.
I've always been the neutral middle ground.
Well, because
Amber doesn't argue with anyone.
Yeah, I don't argue.
Andrew, y'all love him, but sometimes he is
moody.
Not nice. But I do love you, Andrew. I know he's gonna watch it and be like, Ashley.
Andrew doesn't watch anyone's videos.
Are you sure?
No.
Question for Ashley.
Yes.
Describe Amber's ideal boyfriend.
Like Charles.
No! Actually, no!
Amber's ideal boyfriend would be someone that is handsome and probably tall and probably listens to good music and is artistic and creates things for himself. That's what I would say.
What about general personality?
And also has to be funny and goofy. Yeah.
Rich.
And rich. That's funny.
Who cooks better?
Me!
Amber.
Everyone knows it's me.
Is Amber actually pregnant? What does that even
Where
come
did that come from?
Any nicknames for each other?
For almost probably 4 years. What are you? No.
I know what you're gonna say.
For like 4 years of my life, I called Ashley Aisha V.
Yeah.
Aisha V.
Aisha V.
Who's dumber?
Amber.
No, I'm not.
No.
I think I'm smarter mathematically.
Oh, and I'm
you're
smarter, like,
English-wise?
Englishly.
Englishly?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I feel like you also write really well. I feel like
English.
you're math and English. I'm kind of like science and social studies.
That is
I feel
it.
like,
That's it.
yeah.
That's it.
Someone asked, how do you handle Andrew?
Ashley tries to like fix him and like address the problem. He freaks out at Ashley. What I do is I just step away and then Andrew comes to me later and then we're all buddy pals.
Oh, and then you tell him like a friend.
And then I
it
tell my
makes
friend, I'm
more
like,
sense.
Andrew, listen to me right now. We're bros. You cannot act like that. And he's
Yeah.
like, okay, gotcha. It's funny, whenever I film my vision so bad, I can't even see the viewfinder. It's like, I don't know what I look like.
Oh my god, Amber, me too. It's like my
I'm
eyes
like-
are like straining because you don't have anything to focus on that's close
Yeah.
enough.
15-year-old asked, how do I stop being scared of growing up?
There is nothing to be afraid of about growing up because you'll learn lots of things that you will value, and happiness is possible all the time.
That is so true.
Don't think that happiness is only possible in the past. It is always possible
That is so true.
in the future.
And what I heard a lady say is that happiness is a fleeting emotion. You can't always have happiness be your end goal. You also should look for peace. Yeah, she was so wise. She also lived on a farm. And I saw it on TikTok.
Someone asked, why do you think Andrew's amazing?
Andrew
No.
is amazing because he's so resilient and will never stop
And
like
he's just
talking.
so, yeah, he's so good at like talking
Just-
to new people and like just being funny.
Like he never stops coming up with funny stuff. His mind does not ever stop moving.
I was finding Andrew ones because he's not here right now.
Aww.
Who do you think is more genetically gifted? I came up with that myself.
Genetically
Genetic
gifted?
Think about physical, mental.
Andrew.
No. Yeah, you're kind of
Yeah.
right. Mentally not.
No, Andrew takes harder classes than I took in high school.
Andrew cannot handle the classes he takes.
I do a lot of his
No, yeah,
homework.
Yeah, I literally have never asked anyone for help ever in my life.
That's kind of fact. I didn't either because I was the oldest.
Ashley, you are so needy sometimes.
No, I mean for my homework.
Yeah,
What
but
are you talking about?
I'm not needy in any aspect of my life.
Yeah, well, I took the hardest classes. Amber's SAT score is definitely higher than mine.
Who was more likely to get killed? Ha ha ha.
Ashley.
Like, who would just die in an island?
Oh, on an island?
Probably.
Me. Ashley could probably get her life together and be like, okay, this is how it has to be. We're gonna live like this. Like, we need to figure this out. But I would be like, please just kill me now.
Amber!
Yeah.
Amber would be like, let's cut the losses.
Yeah.
Nah, I will do anything to try to survive. Literally.
Who would win in a pie eating contest?
Charles.
Ashley. No, wait.
I think I actually would.
I can't eat big quantities of food, like, at all.
I can.
Best advice for college?
You know what you secretly want your major to be and
That's
you're
a
afraid
fact.
of doing it, do the major you want to do.
Yeah, I
'Cause
didn't
you're-
switch it until I was a junior.
You're eventually gonna change to it, so just do it now.
If you know that you're not happy with your major, you should change it.
Yeah.
No matter what.
Change your major.
Change
Change
your
your
I thought you guys
major.
are gonna have like different ones because Amber's a freshman. How was your
Oh.
freshman year, Amber?
My freshman year is wonderful. I would say my greatest piece of advice for going into college is that it can be scary to have to like meet new people, but you have to realize legitimately every single person's in the same boat and know that you are worthy of making friends and people want to hear what you have to say. So don't silence yourself out of fear. Just do whatever the hell you want and then people will be attracted to you. Actually, what do you think it would be like if we had a fourth sibling?
No.
I would
feel
love
like-
that, I think.
Are you being serious?
Because imagine how funny it is to have both of you guys.
It depends
Imagine having
how
another
young.
one.
It depends how young the sibling is. If I imagine like having like a 10-year-old sibling right now, I don't think I could put up with it. Like I
think
so
that would be
sorry.
hilarious.
Are you serious? But,
I
like
think
I
it'd
don't
be
know.
hilarious to be responsible for like the development of another child.
Oh,
Like
when
imagine
you're
being
that
like,
old.
I can guide this bitch right now.
Andrew would
But
probably want a
Andrew would
younger
want
brother so
brother.
bad. Andrew loves Charles so much because Charles is like
his
Andrew's
brother.
brother. Yeah. It says, why is Amber the better sister?
Oh my god, not.
Because
No, I'm
Amber
not.
is, I feel like intrinsically, that's the correct word, Amber's very nice.
No, I present myself wrong. I come off as very sarcastic and harsh.
I think that you're very nice because I remember I was so mean to you when you first went vegan and you were still nice to me even though I was mean to you about it.
I literally
And you
don't
were
remember
and you
that.
were understanding, which
Oh.
in my case I feel like I could be mean.
No, yeah, I remember you were just like, Amber, just eat it. And I was like, what does that matter to you?
Because I had no idea what was going on.
I know, but I was like just so interested because I was like, that's like the first time we've ever had any kind of discussion where I was like, wait, how does that affect
It was like
you?
What are some main principles you were taught by your parents?
Nothing at all.
Sharing is caring. If someone
I didn't
steals
learn that.
your blanket, you're allowed to bite them.
Yeah.
I think I did.
I think he was like, actually bite them. I was like,
Because there was someone that kept bullying me when I was in preschool. And I
Yeah.
would come home crying.
Bite
And
them.
I think he literally said, next time bite them.
Yeah.
And I think I did.
My parents always just tell me to get a job that I like.
Oh.
I don't know any like moral thing they've taught me like really hard.
They just did like regular stuff.
They just be letting me live in their house.
Yeah.
I have a question. question.
Oh, you
Yeah.
do?
What have you guys learned from each other?
I have
from each other.
learned from you that you cannot blame your family for things. It is so selfish to hold something against them. There have been times where I held grudges against you for a little bit, and then I was like, who am I to hold a grudge against Ashley, who has helped me with my entire life?
But that's also because I yell at you and I say, Amber, how can you be mean to me? I helped you with your entire life.
I think from Andrew I've learned that you only lose by holding back, because Andrew does not hold back and he's always winning.
And he goes for it.
Oh, I have a question. What do we hope that the other person
Finds
receives in their life? In the end of all of this, what do you hope they get out of it?
I hope that Amber gets stability and a family that is very loving to her and little children's. I
good
hope
answer.
that you have like a beautiful family when you're older, because I feel like you deserve to have that.
OMG.
Mm-hmm.
I hope Ashley gets recognition for all of her efforts. I
Oh my
do
God,
think
thanks.
I recognize her efforts pretty often.
Thank you.
But I hope
Yeah.
that she recognizes her own efforts.
That's beautiful.
And I hope that you find peace and stop working yourself so hard.
Really? I feel like I'm not even working myself that hard.
I feel like you work
Maybe I
very
am.
hard. What do we hope for Andrew?
I hope Andrew gets a girlfriend that teaches him how to be nice.
That should not be the
Yeah.
girlfriend's job.
That's like my dream is just
That
like,
is true. That
someone to
shouldn't
fix
be.
him.
He doesn't like to think before he does stuff.
He was really upset when you couldn't give him a ride, and he just couldn't hold himself back to like.
Wait, when? Right now?
Yeah, he just wanted to flip you off like every 10 seconds when you weren't looking, and I was like, I was sitting on the couch and he just kept going like this, and I was like, why do you like need to do that? And he was so angry, like he just had to flip you off like 10 times. I thought it was funny because he
He's
was just
trying.
doing it for himself to feel better. He's like, fuck you.
Anyways, I have one more question. It will be a fun ending question, and it is, what are your guys' favorite shows?
That is a bad last question.
No, it's not.
No, that's ass. That should be in the
Actually-
middle.
Ask one nice favorite memory question.
What's our favorite memory?
Oh, you know this is like the dumbest answer.
What?
Me and Ashley used to be competitive cheerleaders.
The one
time we competed at
Sweetheart
nationals.
Classic. Sweetheart Classic. Wait,
Wait,
National
that's
Summit
different.
or Sweetheart
I was
Classic?
like a nervous wreck the Sweetheart Classic.
Oh, it was better for me because it was Amber's first competition basing me, and I
yeah,
was like,
I was holding Ashley up.
Amber literally.
I was literally holding Ashley.
The mutual trust.
Yeah,
that goes on.
I was good at basing you. That
Amber was really good. No, in general, you were such a strong base.
Oh, I miss cheer now.
No,
I think one of my
amazing.
favorite memories is when we competed at nationals and we did like so well.
Wasn't
I
my
like
last
all the
one, though.
times where we go to Nantucket.
Oh yeah,
Obviously.
every Nantucket trip, all the vlogs.
I'm
by
like,
the
yeah, let's
waves.
just go to the beach and have fun. Like that's so funny. I have my. Do you remember the first time you met me, Charles?
In the
like
library,
for real?
right?
No, we all went to Target together.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
And you were wearing the sweater that had the wolf on it.
Was
And
it
you were so
Christmas sweater?
quiet.
I don't remember that.
You were like,
don't?
Ashley was like, we're gonna go to Target and I'm gonna pick up my friend Charles. I was like, okay.
When I
I
first met
liked
Andrew,
when-
he tried to like be like a tough little brother and protect his older
Oh my god,
sister.
yeah, Andrew was like mean to
It
Charles.
was terrible
Yeah.
for like 3 weeks.
What?
But then they loved each other
Uh-huh.
afterwards.
He
I
was
think one of
funny.
my favorite memories was like when I was at George Washington and you guys all came up like as a family
Came
to
down.
come visit me or came down and
That was
visited me.
Okay, I think that's all for the questions.
Yes.
Thank you guys for asking them on Ashley's Instagram.
Yeah. Amber's Instagram though is at _Amber Alexander.
Next time I do a video like this, obviously the questions will be on my account, not Ashley's. Hope you guys like watching that little chat we just had. I have a lot of videos coming because obviously I'm stuck at home because of the whole situation and I'm back from college. So expect more videos soon and we'll see you guys next time.
Peace.
Peace.